Hey guys, it's MC Fix It here. I got some prototypes that Lone Star Disc sent me. Cannot wait to see what they look like and feel like. This is the new yellow rose. I did ask for them all to be in blue, which it looks like they have done that for me. Ooh, that feels good. This is supposed to be in Bravo plastic, which it definitely is. Look at the swirls on that thing. Bravo 176. There's another one. Man, I don't know how well the camera's picking that up, but those are sweet looking. And this one's a little bit lighter, but still got some really cool pattern on it. And you can see, I don't know how well you can see the embossing. Yellow rose, I got 3 of them. I do like that there's just a smidgen of yellow in there. These things are supposed to throw close to the blue bonnet, but obviously it's a more premium plastic. When they have the Victor plastic, they're unable to kind of remold it into some of the Bravo and Alpha. But all 3 of the stamps look really sweet. I'm loving that they're coming out with a prototype. I don't believe these are approved yet, but I'm assuming they'll get approved in probably the next week or 2. And so let's go ahead and go outside and test at least one of them. I don't know which one I want to test yet. They're all really sweet looking. I think I'm going to do the one with just the touch of yellow right there in the center as the one I'm going to test. The other 2 will be my backups. But let's go outside and throw some plastic. Okay, we are outside and getting ready to throw the first test flight of this prototype. I am super pumped. The target is about 225 to 230 feet out. I'll have a red circle on it right now. And I will go ahead and throw this out there. Very flat, not very windy today. So let's do it. And you can see I have just about parked it. I'm going to go run out there real quick and show you where it's at. And I've made it to the disc, and it's about 5 feet away. And let's go ahead and toss this guy back. You'll see it coming up on your screen right about now. Just about a perfect throwback. I know it's still a couple feet away from the camera, but overall, man, I am loving this disc. Such a sweet looking design too, but the most important thing is it throws awesome. Don't know if they still have any of these available. This one is in the Bravo, 175 grams. Pick one up today and get 10% off using my code listed on the screen now. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to hit that thumbs up and like this video. If you do have a comment, put it in the comment section down below. Make sure to subscribe as well if you're not subscribed so I can make more content just like this. See you in the next video.